The Magelang Regency is located 40 kilometers northwest of Yogyakarta and 75 kilometers south of Semarang, the seat of Central Java province. It is well known as the starting point for a visit to the spectacular Borobudur Temple. It is less well known that in addition to the spectacular majesty of Borobudur, Magelang is a regency rich in unique magnificence, offering the ideal holiday experience. Magelang is blessed with lovely natural settings, excellent for people who seek to breathe in Central Java's greener side. It is located between Mount Merbabu and Mount Sumbing, and is coursed by the flowing streams of the Progo and Elo Rivers. The magnificent Borobudur Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and Indonesia's pride, is without a doubt the most important attractions in Magelang. The Borobudur Temple, which sits magnificently on a hilltop overlooking lush greener fields and distant hills, is known as the world's biggest Buddhist monument and is often regarded as one of the world's 7 wonders.
While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
While in Magelang, visit the OHD Museum on Jalan Jenggol Street, which features a unique collection of contemporary and modern art. The OHD Museum is a private museum dedicated to modern and contemporary Indonesian art, created and owned by Dr. Oi Hong Jian, one of Indonesia's most known art collectors who began his collection in the 1970s. If you are looking for a refreshing ambience amidst nature, head down to the Sekar Langit waterfall on the foot of Mount Telomoyo in the Gabe sub-district of Magelang, about 30 minutes away from downtown Magelang city. Enjoy the gurgling sound of the falls, breathe cool refreshing air, and take in the lush green surroundings, all of which combine to create the ideal escape from daily life. Candi Ambul or Ambul Temple, a historic hot spring bathing pool estimated to have been built in the 9th century, is another Magelang cultural monument. Around the lake, a collection of stone ruins depict various reliefs of flora, animals and the Borobudur Temple stupa.